Today, we're diving into a practical guide, how to root and install TWRP on a Samsung J5 from 2016, even if the volume and home buttons aren't working. It's a tricky process, but we'll walk through it step by step, so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. The first step is all about getting our devices ready. We need to make sure the phone can access the menu where OEM unlocking and USB debugging are both enabled. On the computer side, the Samsung USB driver must be installed. And finally, the essential tools, ADB and Fastboot, should be set up on the PC or laptop. These are the basics that let us communicate with the phone and move forward smoothly. Now let's move to the second step. First, open the ADB Fastboot application on your computer. Connect your phone to the PC or laptop, making sure the connection is solid. In the ADB interface, type the command ADB devices. If a USB debugging permission pops up on your phone, grant it. Once you see your device's serial number listed, it means the connection is successful. Then, type ADB reboot download. Your phone will turn off and automatically enter download mode. Now we move to step 3. After that, open the CF Auto Root folder. Inside, you'll find everything needed to install using Odin. In Odin, click on the AP button, then navigate to the CF Auto Root folder to select the file. Make sure that both Auto Reboot and F Reset Time options are checked. This process will get your device rooted smoothly and safely. Now let's connect the phone to the laptop while it's still in download mode. Make sure Odin recognizes the device. You should see the COM port and the serial number. Once that's confirmed, click Start. Then just wait. The rooting process will run, and you'll see messages like Reset or Pass when it's done. The phone will restart automatically, showing the kernel text as it powers up. Be patient. It can take up to 5 minutes to fully reach the menu. Now let's move on to step 4. If the rooting process works, you'll see the Super SU app appear on your device. To double-check, you can use a root checker app. Once you confirm your phone is rooted, you're ready to move on to the next step, installing TWRP. This step is key because it opens up more possibilities for customizing your device. Now let's walk through installing TWRP. First, download or paste the TWRP image file into your internal memory. If it's not detected, you can save the file on your SD card instead. Next, extract the TWRP file, then open the Flashify app. Choose the image option and navigate to where you saved the TWRP file. Click Yes and wait for the process to finish. Once done, reboot into recovery. Congratulations! Your phone now has root access and TWRP installed. To avoid boot loops, you can flash DM Verity and Force Encryption Disabler through TWRP as a precaution. Now, if you run into error 1 while flashing your custom ROM through TWRP, don't worry. The last step is to try switching to a different recovery, Orange Fox. Just download Orange Fox, boot into recovery mode, choose Install, select Orange Fox, and swipe to install. Once it's replaced, you can go ahead and try installing your custom ROM again. This often solves the problem and gets you back on track. Let's take a moment to focus on this step-by-step process. It's designed to work every single time, no exceptions. By following it carefully, we're setting ourselves up for success. So, pay close attention, trust the method, and watch how it all comes together perfectly. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.